Blue begins where daylight fades, silver dancing on the waves, quiet voices, evening air, golden moments everywhere, windows glowing on the shore, calling softly evermore. Every color gently flows where the endless evening grows. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, holding every dream tonight. Blue hour, wrapped in fading golden light. Stay a little longer, let the moment carry on. Blue hour, until the night is born. Harbor lights begin to shine, drawing gentle silver lines. Every street a work of art, every rhythm warms the heart. Nothing asked for yesterday, everything belongs today. Every breeze across the sea feels like home to you and me. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, holding every dream tonight. Blue hour, wrapped in fading golden light. Stay a little longer, let the moment carry on. Blue hour, until the night is born. Every sunset leaves a trace, every memory finds its place. When the stars begin to rise, hope is shining in our eyes. Every ending starts anew, every sky becomes more blue. Nothing here is standing still.